Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel, the place where timeless elegance, confidence, and the radiant beauty of women over 50 are celebrated with sophistication and pride. Today we step into the graceful world of an inspiring woman from the Instagram account at It's Stunning. With her captivating aura, polished style, and majestic confidence, she represents a new wave of mature beauty. One is a bold, expressive, and effortlessly empowering. Her presence on social media reflects a woman who embraces her journey with both strength and softness. Throughout every photo and video she shares, there is a sense of warmth and assurance that resonates deeply with her audience. Her story is not about chasing perfection, but about honoring growth, celebrating self-acceptance, and proving that beauty becomes even more meaningful with age. What began as a simple expression of our daily life slowly evolved into the platform admired by many, a place where elegance, authenticity, and personal strength come together in harmony. Her fashion choice reveals a woman with an incredible for style. She combines modern silhouettes with timeless elements, balancing sophistication and comfort effortlessly. From refined dress that highlight her natural beauty to chic casual outfits that radiate confidence, she embodies the art of dressing with intention. Her look often features clean line, soft textures, and elevated simplicity, style that feels both artisanal and inspirational. She shows women that clothing is more than just a fabric. It is a way to express identity, mode, and the beauty of living fully at every age. Thank you for your watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for your watching. Thank you and goodbye.